Well, it's awesome to be back at Sebring. It's such a historic racetrack. I mean, I've raced here throughout the course of my experience, which has been, a few decades. Everything from Ford Focus to Daytona prototypes to everything in between. And to be back out here in the number 101 TKO Motorsports race car, Bentley Continental, it's awesome. I think the car's going to do great. This track is like it's got a long history, but it's definitely distinct. It's just like it growls at you when you drive around it. And this Bentley is the same way. It just growls when you're in it. And I think these two, this Bentley, number 10 Bentley TKO car, and I think the Sebring racetrack are going to merge, and we're going to have a fantastic weekend.